Amber didn't apply to anything. That's fine. I have the quiz up already. I've been working on it.
Okay. Me too.
Oh, good. Oh, good.
I tried to go through it earlier today.
Yeah.
Hopefully I kind of understand.
Same. So we can just go through and see what answers we got.
All right.
And then there's a few that I didn't answer, but most of them are just like the multiple choice that you have to understand the concept, and I don't understand, so I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so let's see for question 3.
I got the first and second.
Perfect. And 4, I got the T-score.
Same.
And 5, I got the second one.
Perfect.
And 6, I got 19.
You got 19.
What'd you get?
I got a completely different number. I got 37.996.
Oh dear. So I got 19 because the degrees of freedom is just n minus 1, and n is the number of the number sample, the sample number. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So there were 20 variables. So just 20 minus 1.
Got you. I plugged it into the what do you call it? Into Excel, like the degrees of freedom. So that's what I used. And I already submitted it once, and I got that one right. So, I don't know, because I know that.
What did you say it was?
Minus 1. It's 37.996.
Wait, so how did you get that?
So I just pulled up the it has, and then I plugged it into, what's it called? The quantitative inference Excel sheet that was in the book.
Uh-huh.
That has the different types of tests that you can plug it into to sample t-test. I think that was for this one. And then for that, it just, so you plug all the information in it, and then it literally gives you the T and the degrees of freedom, and then.
What I did was I put it into the, because I was on that Excel sheet, but there's like different pages from the Excel sheet. I think I just put it into the wrong one.
Oh, gotcha.
See what happens here.
But I mean, I don't know. It wasn't for these ones, but I think it was towards the end where I got a couple wrong when I did plug it into the Excel sheet. So I don't know if there's just.
Okay. Well,
that, though.
we can look at this again. Okay. Okay, so the next one, that's fine. Next one is the test statistic. I got negative 0.426.
What did you get?
Negative 0.426, but when I plugged it into the other one, I got negative 0.434.
Okay, yeah, that's what I got.
And that was right?
Yeah.
9, I know that's wrong because all the other ones have been wrong. So 0.667.
I got 0.333.
Oh dear.
So.
Okay, well then I have 3 different answers. I also, was that right though?
I'm trying to remember which one it was, but I went to a tutor real quick, and I was asking her about one of them. I don't remember if it's p-value, but I kept getting that question wrong. And I think it's that one where it was something and then you divided it by 2. But that one was the same thing, that I just plugged it into the Excel sheet and then it just gives it to you.
So, but you got a different number than I did. What number did you get?
For number 9, it was 0.333.
Oh, okay. So you just divided the p-value by 2?
I think so. I don't want to give you wrong information, but I think that's.
Well, I still have 2 tries. Like, this is my first one. I haven't finished it yet.
Got you.
We'll see if that's right. It's fine. For question 10, for the 2 question, like the 2 answer questions, I just pick one. I don't even, I just pick one because I have 2 tries.
Got you. So for number 10, I got failed to reject.
Okay. Okay, and then this is what I mean. I don't understand the concepts, and so I just usually just pick one and hope for the best.
Yeah.
I don't know about you.
I got 11 wrong.
Okay, which one did you have when it was wrong?
I put, we have insufficient evidence that the mean dentist bills between the 2 cities are the same.
Okay, so it's not that one.
No. But it's.
I have no idea. I just don't like these equation things. I don't know.
Yeah. But I think when you fail to reject, that means you have insufficient evidence.
Okay. Then I'll pick the other one, and I can submit mine first, and we can see if that was right.
Okay, that works.
No worries. Okay, and then 12, same deal. I have no idea.
That one was the second one.
Okay.
Not equal to.
And then for 13, I should probably try this again, but I got 2.098, but that could be really wrong.
Okay, I got this one wrong.
The problem is we have the freshmen, like the statistics, they don't add up. There's 2 different variables, 2 different numbers in the variables,
Mhm. Yeah.
Calculate the differences. I don't know if we're supposed to pretend like the missing ones are zeros, or
I don't know. Here, let me try to.
I don't know how that. I don't know.
Because this one was weird. I don't know if I just did it wrong, but because I got the other ones right. I got 14, and I guess that's the only other one. I got 14 right, and I just did the same thing where you just look at the Excel sheet. And so then I was like, I don't know what I did then. So let me try to open it back up real quick.
Okay, so what was it? The T? Are we looking for the T?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so I got a different answer than I did last time. I got 0.845. Is that what you got?
Yeah, that's what I got the first time, but I got that wrong.
And it was wrong. Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe zeros in for the, I don't know, would that make even a difference? Yeah, so that makes a difference. It might be 1.740. I can try that as well. If that doesn't work, then
You say 1.470.
1.740. I guess the 0 doesn't need to be there.
That's okay.
And
So what
then
did you do to change that? What was that?
what?
What did you do to get a different answer?
Oh, I put zeros in because you know how they don't line up with each other. There's more from the first variable than there are for the second.
Oh, right.
So I put zeros in.
There. Okay.
I don't know. We'll see what happens.
I didn't even think to do that. I don't know. And that doesn't change.
That's okay. You said you got 14, right? What did you get for 14?
Let's see. I got 0.411.
And then 15, I just pick one or the other. I don't even know.
So that's fail to reject.
Okay.
So that one I just remember because if the p-value is lower than the level of significance, you reject it. But if it's higher than it, you fail to reject. So I got those.
That makes sense. And then I was about to get to this question before, like 10 minutes ago, before I called or before we started the meeting or whatever.
Got you.
So I didn't.
Yeah. So these are the ones that I got a couple wrong, and I'm confused about it because for 16 I got the right answer, and 17 and 18 I got the wrong answer. But I'm confused because I used the lower bound and the upper bound to get the margin of error.
Yeah. Did you get, let's see, really fast, for 17 and 18, did you get negative 0.197 and 8.197, or that might actually be wrong? Hold on.
No.
Those are my old answers.
Oh, you're good. For 17, I got negative 2.214.
Hold on, sorry.
No, you're fine.
2.214?
Yeah. But I got that one wrong.
Oh, you got that one wrong?
Yeah.
Okay. Go from the answers that I have. I have negative 0.899. 0.899. And then for the other one, I have 8.899.
8.899? Yeah.
And then we can figure out the margin of error of those and see if that data is right. I forget what the margin of error is. It's 1.96. Then I always forget. Do you know the equation off the top of your head? It's like
margin of error. The upper bound minus the lower bound divided by 2.
Divided by 2?
Mm-hmm.
So if there's already a negative, do you cancel it out like normal math, right? 899 plus 0.899?
Yeah.
Okay. See if I can do math today.
I feel that.
Okay. Divided by 2. Okay, so I got 4.899. We'll just put that up.
But the first time I did it, when I tried it, for 16, I got 3.681, and that was right.
3.8 what?
3.681.
Okay. So then couldn't we find the lower and the upper from that? You just have to reverse the equation. So 3.681 times 2 would equal the sum, or the difference of the two. Oh my gosh, my brain hurts.
I know. Like, I have no idea.
You're just solving for one of them instead of, I don't know. in there somewhere, but just let's see. Let's make sure that I have everything answered, and then I'm gonna submit it and see what happens.
Okay.
Just hope. Okay, so that's not bad actually. I got a 78.9. I did get 18 and 17 wrong. What the heck? It gives feedback now. Okay, so let me just write down the ones that I got right and wrong. So I got seven wrong, and 11 wrong, and 13. Let's see. And then 17 and 18.
All right.
But it also, let's see. Why is it like this? Okay.
So I did get 7 right the first time.
What was that one?
It was 206.637.
Okay. Thanks. And then for 11, that means that there has to be sufficient evidence that the mean Dennis bills between, let's see. Oh, so it would just mean that they have to be different. Yeah, so it'd be the first one. Yeah.
Hi. Hi. She's in the shower.
Every time, man.
All right. We'll just wait for her.
Okay. Okay. Sorry, I just have to write down all the answers so I can punch them back in.
No, you're fine. I'm wondering for the 17 and 18 if we were supposed to use a different test.
Yeah, dude, I don't know. They give you feedback. I don't know if you saw that last time, but just on those last 3, there's feedback that says that the answer in SPSS is slightly higher than in Excel. So the answer given is an average between the 2 results. But I thought we weren't using SPSS anymore. So I don't know.
Yeah.
But those are the only 2 that I get.
I'm gonna plug in the information into the other test to see what happens. Nothing good.
Okay. Man, I don't even know. I don't know how to how to fix that.
Mm-mm.
That's my roommate. She's taken the class before. She might know, but she might not too. It could be, I don't know what you got the first time, I forgot what you said, but it could be negative 1.7 and 7.397. Maybe.
For which one?
So for 17, it would be negative 1.7, and for 18, it might be 7.39. Maybe. But it would have to come out to what, 3.61, 681. Is the, you said it's variable 1 minus, or is it the lower confidence interval minus the higher one? Or is it the other way around?
It's the upper bound minus the lower bound divided by 2. So I just plugged it into the other test, and I got different, wait, let me make sure. Yeah, I got different answers for the confidence interval, but it's about the same thing for the margin of error. So I'm wondering if it'll work, because I got the margin of error this time as 3.694.
They're so close.
So it's just a little different. I don't know if it'll be wrong.
Yeah, I don't really care at this point.
I'm gonna try that and see if that does anything.
Okay, what was the numbers again?
Here, give me 1 second.
No, you're fine.
My computer is completely and utterly slow. Okay. That's the wrong one. That's cool. So the lower bound is negative 1.694.
Okay.
And the upper bound is 5.
You still there?
Yeah.
Okay. 5 point what?
Did you get 18 is 5.694?
Okay. See how fast I can plug in my answers for the second time around here.
Okay, that was it, right?
I don't know how I passed this test last time in the exam. I don't think I'm going to survive this one. I think I'm just straight up going to die. I don't understand anything.
No. All right, cool.
What'd you
I
get?
still got an 18 wrong, but I have no idea how.
Okay, well, good to know, I guess. Not that, I don't know what else to do either. But did you get 11 right then? Everything else was...
No. I don't understand it then. I don't know.
That means that... Oh, maybe it's because we failed to reject it. So it's the opposite. Dang it, sorry. That sucks.
Those are the ones that always confuse me.
Yeah, same.
Okay. Well, an 84 isn't the worst.
Yeah, it could be worse. Okay, well, let's see. Are you on now? I mean, I am, but they can't see you.
Oh, they hear this awesome.
Yeah, they heard you. Yeah. Okay, let's see here. I'm so sorry. So 17 and 18 were wrong. I'm going to try the ones that I had But I said it could possibly maybe be these numbers, maybe.
Okay.
Kind of doubt it, but you never know.
I think I'll try to email her and see if she can.
Who's the teacher?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe in the next meeting, let me know what she says, because probably.
Because I honestly have no idea what I'm doing wrong, and so
Yeah.
this coming up is gonna be killer.
Not even if you're not trying. Okay, so I got 18 and 19 wrong again, but I got, 12, 11 right for the first time, because we did all three of the answers that you could get wrong.
Ooh.
But yeah, okay, so
But perfect.
yeah, just trial and error there. Okay, well, sounds good.
All right.
It's been
Well,
fun.
I will see you.
Yeah, I'll see you next time.
All right. Bye.